Greetings, lovelies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Let's make this quick and easy banana bread. Here I have 5 overripe bananas. Yes, guys. And here I have 1 cup of flour, a third cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of melted butter, half cup of brown sugar, and I also have 2 eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and mash these banana. And guys, as you can see, they're overripe, so it doesn't take long to do. I'm adding the half cup of sugar, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this in. You can also use a mixer. So I'm just mixing and combine. Now I'm adding the melted butter. Just mixing this as I go along. I'm adding the 2 eggs, and I remove the eyes from the eggs. So no need to throw away your overripe banana. I'm adding a third cup of milk, followed by the vanilla. Just mix it in. Now over here I have the dry ingredients. The cinnamon, the baking powder, the nutmeg, and the flour. I'm adding everything, and then I'm going to go ahead and sieve all the dry ingredients. So now that I get everything incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and sieve it. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix everything and get everything incorporated. Yes, let me add the rest of the mixture in and then mix everything and get everything incorporated. Yes, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add some nuts to this, and this is optional. You can add any nuts of your choice. Yes, this is just optional. Mix this in and add some more. And then I grease the pan, and then we're gonna pour. So here I have the loaf pan. I'm pouring in the mixture, and guys, I have a little extra, so I'm gonna just pour it into another pan that I have over here. I don't wanna put too much in the loaf pan. So as you can see, just a little bit. But I rather to put it in this and leave room in the loaf pan. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. Set my oven at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna leave this in for the next 30 minutes. And guys, this is what my banana bread looks like. Let me turn it out the pan. And this is what it looks like on the other side. Look at my delicious, quick and easy banana bread. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more. From Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food.